Spring weather is starting to show in Flagstaff. However, with these warmer skies come some consequences.
That's right, and due to the amount of snowfall and the sudden high temperatures, the Flagstaff area has a flood advisory from the National Weather Service. Tori Smith is live in the studio with more information.
Yeah, so like both of you just said, we're seeing a flood advisory here in Flagstaff, and it's going to be prevalent until tomorrow at 11 a.m. Now, the areas affected are going to be lower level areas, including dry washes that we normally see dry, especially the Rio de Flag, and interstates along the area. These interstates could include Route 66 as well as I-40 east and westbound. Especially if you're going westbound, those fields fill up with water, and if they get over that highway and you hit that at 75 miles an hour, that could be very deadly. So you're going to want to slow down if you see that, or take an alternate route. This is also filling up the Colorado River currently, and that's very good for our lakes as well as our rivers. However, that water is rushing through here in northern Arizona, creating some deadly impacts for the environment. But that's all we have on weather right now. We'll have more later on, but back to you guys on desk.